Hello, Miss Jonesy here with a quick tip. Glue gun is on low temp. I buy this glue gun from Walmart's. I love it because I can go right in, see the glue, and just press down. And I can add material to material, like this foam ball. You don't want it on hot because the hot glue will make holes in the foam ball. But if you place it on low and go around and press it in, it will cover your foam ball. Okay, let's cover the foam ball and continue with the slideshow. Thank you. Hello. Another break in the slideshow. Once you have the styrofoam ball covered with burlap, and then add the copper scrunchie pad, cut it down a little bit, and roll it so this will reflect the light in the centerpiece. Remember, this all has to fit over this glass, or this glass has to fit over this project. So this is the reason why I chose that green styrofoam ball, because if it's too wide in this area, all you have to do is pinch it. Okay? Break it up a little bit. It's not going anywhere, so you have it covered with burlap and the scrubber pad. So just squeeze it a little bit, and that glass will fit down into this beautiful arrangement. And use any flowers you want. We are doing the reverse of this. The flowers will be inside and my cross will be on the top. Continuing on. Hello, this is Miss Jones. I decided to use my Dollar Tree rustic cross for in my kitchen, right up against a copper baking sheet. See why I wanted it very plain but yet matching copper. And so I have decided to use a different top for part 2, since the cross is already laid where I want it to be. Stay tuned, see what cross I use. I use a cross from Dollar Tree. Hi, this is Miss Jonesy here with one last tip for this DIY. I normally go over everything that I've used with hot glue with high heat, low speed air, and I go around and I melt all the strands of glue that's dangling. Now I think I have pretty much all of it, but what I wanted to do and show you was how I burn the rope so it looks like it's burnt just slightly. Okay, so it kind of gives it an older look. And all I do is I use my little heat gun. It's by Darcy. And then I turn it on and I just slowly go up to it. And as soon as I start to see it brown, I get away from it. I don't keep it on for very long or you can end up burning it bad. So here it goes. Alright, I've already there, it scorched it just a tad. Can you see the very black spots right there? That scorched it. Now it does give off a little smell, so if you're allergic to burlap or twine, or anything of the sort, wear a mask. Well, anyhow, thank you for watching this slideshow, and this is how it turned out. How wonderful can this be? Everything from the Dollar Tree. There's only one item on this entire piece that is not Dollar Tree, and I just found it in my craft drawer with my paper products, and that was this cute little off-white, older looking yellow rose. So I thought that would look nice up there with the scorched braid rope that I made to drape around the cross. But the cross, the twine, all these little flowers, the copper scrubbing pad, the little container I used for the top, the glass vase, the calla lilies, everything in here is the Dollar Tree, 100%. Something different for Easter to create this season. I'm not making wreaths this year. I did wreaths last year. I'm really, frankly, at the age of 54, tired of making wreaths. I did enough of them all these years. I would love to do something different. So I am. So I create challenges for myself just to keep myself entertained. What do you think? You would try something like this? If you have any questions, you can find me on Dollar Tree Crafts and Ideas on Facebook and my own page, Legacy's Little Luxuries. I send my blessings out to you and your family from me and mine. So here we go. This one has the cross in the center and the flowers on the top. And now this one's reversed. Cross on the top, flowers in the glass. Take care. This is March 4th, 2019. Signing off.